that there is Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making this week, Ross?
Today we are making the Vesper Martini.
Vesper?
The Vesper Martini is out of a James Bond movie called Casino Royale. And it was invented by Ian Fleming, the author of the 007 movies. And Vesper Lynn was actually a character in the show. She was a double agent and romantic interest with James Bond. And so this drink is sort of named after her.
Okay, so
what are the measurements here, Jamie?
We're gonna do 3 ounces of gin.
Okay. And we're gonna pour this in a shaker over ice.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 is good.
We're gonna do 1 ounce.
Vodka. 1 ounce of vodka.
There's hardly any alcohol in this drink.
Lots.
And then
lots of martinis.
Half ounce of dry vermouth.
Half ounce of dry vermouth. That's close enough. And of course, like all of James Bond's martinis, they're shaken, not stirred.
Yeah. I'm just gonna grab my glass out of the freezer here.
Get some ice. I'm gonna go ahead and shake mine up.
Oh, look at that.
Of course, we're going to strain that.
I think that's well.
Jamie has a martini glass there.
Yeah.
I do not.
I'm going to make my lemon twirl as we're kind of getting things together.
Okay, the lemon twirl is important according to James Bond.
Oh, there you go.
Watch I don't cut my finger up doing this.
I'm just gonna take mine and help some of the oils.
Oh, fancy.
Oh yeah, I'm real fancy like that.
The Vesper Martini.
You already got yours in your cup?
I got mine poured, Jamie. Yep, ready to go. I feel more mysterious just looking at it. Mmm.
There we go. Looks pretty good.
Give it a shot, Jamie. It's got a lot of booze in it.
Yeah.
Pretty boozy. But it is good. And give it a shot, you guys. The Vesper Martini.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.